There are few places on Earth where geology becomes poetry, and Zhangye Danxia is one of them. Located in Gansu province in northwest China, the Zhangye Danxia landform geological park is home to a surreal canvas of color, hills and ridges splashed with vivid reds, oranges, yellows, and greens that ripple like painted waves across the land. Often referred to as the Rainbow Mountains, this UNESCO World Heritage Site looks like something created in a dream or rendered in a digital fantasy world. But it is entirely real, a natural masterpiece over 24 million years in the making, carved by wind, water, and tectonic force. Zhangye Danxia covers a vast area of more than 300 square kilometers and is part of a larger group of Danxia formations found across China. However, the formations in Zhangye are by far the most colorful and dramatic. These natural striations of mineral-rich rock create what appear to be rainbows frozen in stone. The layers of sedimentary rock, compressed and lifted over time, were then shaped into hills, cliffs, and valleys by erosion, exposing their vibrant bands. The result is a living geological painting, changing hue and character with the shifting light of the day and seasons. The journey to Zhangye begins by reaching the city of Zhangye, which is well connected by air, train, and road. You can fly into Zhangye Ganzhou Airport or take a high-speed train from cities like Lanzhou, Xi'an, or even Beijing. Once in the city, it's an easy 40-kilometer drive to the Danxia Landform Geological Park. You'll find two main scenic areas, the Zhangye Danxia Scenic Area and the Binggou Danxia Scenic Area. Both are worth visiting, though the iconic multicolored ridges most frequently photographed are in Zhangye. The best way to explore the Zhangye area is via the shuttle buses that connect several key viewing platforms. There are 4 main viewing decks, each offering a different perspective of the undulating rainbow terrain. The first platform introduces you to the broad waves of color across rolling hills. The second and third platforms take you closer to more jagged, dramatic formations where the reds and oranges dominate. The final platform provides a panoramic vista at sunset, the golden hour that transforms the mountains into glowing embers streaked with pastel pinks and fiery gold. Timing is everything at Zhangye Danxia. The optimal time to visit is from June to September, when the weather is warm, skies are clear, and the monsoon moisture sharpens the colors of the rock layers. Spring and early autumn are also good, with fewer tourists and milder temperatures. Winters are extremely cold and not ideal for travel, as the landscape loses much of its color under snow and low sunlight. The best time of day to view the Rainbow Mountains is during early morning and late afternoon, when the angle of the sun enhances the contrast and saturation of the mineral bands. Weather in Zhangye Danxia is typically dry and arid. Daytime temperatures in summer range between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, while evenings can get chilly, especially in the mountains. Pack layers of clothing, sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and plenty of water. The sun is strong, and the dry desert wind can be dehydrating. Good walking shoes are also essential, as some viewing platforms involve climbing steps or navigating rocky trails. Beyond just viewing the formations, visitors can also experience camel rides around the park, drone photography opportunities, and short hikes in less crowded sections of the reserve. If you choose to visit the Binggou Danxia Scenic Area, you'll find a different kind of beauty. Unlike Zhangye, which is known for color, Binggou is famed for its sculpted forms, narrow towers, natural pillars, and weathered cliffs that resemble castles, animals, and towers carved by wind over millennia. It's quieter, more rugged, and ideal for photographers seeking unique perspectives. For the full experience, spend at least 2 days in Zhangye. On day 1, arrive in Zhangye and visit the city's local highlights, including the giant Buddha temple, Defy temple, home to the largest reclining clay Buddha in China, stretching over 34 meters long. Wander around the Zhangye Bell and Drum Tower and enjoy local Gansu cuisine in night markets, especially lamb skewers, hand-pulled noodles, and apricot desserts. On day 2, dedicate the entire day to the Zhangye Danxia Geological Park. Head to Linja early in the morning to catch the first light and then explore all 4 platforms via shuttle. In the afternoon, move on to Binggou to admire its towering sandstone structures and take a more solitary walk through its sculpted formations. Return in the evening to the Linja sunset point if time allows. You won't regret seeing the mountains catch fire with light. If you're enjoying this journey through Earth's most surreal landscapes and would love to see more remote, colorful, and adventurous travel destinations, take a moment now to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We share full itineraries, cultural tips, and hidden wonders from around the globe every single week. Your support helps us uncover more magical places like Zhangye Danxia. The unique thing about Danxia landscapes is that they are not only visually stunning but also geologically significant. The word Danxia refers to a type of red sandstone and conglomerate landform found in China, formed through long-term weathering and erosion. The formations are often reddish due to iron oxide, and over millions of years, tectonic movement has pushed these layers upward and tilted them at dramatic angles. Rain and wind then went to work, carving ridges, cliffs, and terraces, revealing the stripes of mineral layers in vibrant contrast. If you're staying longer in the region, consider a short trip from Zhangye to the Pingshanhu Grand Canyon, a less known but equally dramatic destination with red rock canyons, mesas, and natural amphitheaters. Or take the high-altitude route through the Kilian Mountains, famous for their rolling grasslands, Tibetan monasteries, and fields of wildflowers in summer. These add layers of cultural and scenic richness to your journey and show just how diverse Gansu province can be. Don't forget to pack a camera with extra batteries or a power bank. The bright desert light makes for incredible photography, and the views shift dramatically throughout the day. For aerial footage, drones are allowed in designated zones, but always check the latest regulations. If you prefer silence and space, arrive early in the morning to beat the crowds, especially during national holidays. Accommodation options in Zhangye range from budget guest houses to boutique hotels in the city center. Some newer eco-lodges and desert view hotels have opened closer to the park entrance, offering sunrise and sunset packages with meals and guided tours. Public transport between the city and park is available, but hiring a local driver or joining a small group tour provides the most flexibility, especially if you're chasing sunrise or sunset light. Zhangye Danxia is a place that doesn't just impress, it overwhelms. It challenges your understanding of nature's palette and makes you question how such vibrant colors can exist without human intervention. The Rainbow Mountains may seem too fantastical to be real, but standing before them, you realize they are one of Earth's greatest visual miracles. So when you're planning your next adventure and want something that looks like it was pulled from the pages of a science fiction novel or a painter's imagination, look toward the red sands and rainbow ridges of Zhangye Danxia. There, on the edge of the Chinese desert, you'll find silence, color, and wonder, waiting to be witnessed, felt, and remembered forever. And don't forget, if this inspired you, please like and subscribe for more full-length, offbeat travel experiences like this one.